Oscar Wilde wrote The Importance of Being Earnest in 1895. It is a fast, clever comedy that makes fun of love, marriage, and polite society. The story centers on two young men who live double lives. Jack Worthing is serious in the country, where he cares for his ward, Cecily. In London, he pretends his name is Ernest so he can escape duty. His friend Algernon Moncrief does something similar. He invents a sick friend named Bunbury to avoid boring social events. The play opens in London. Jack plans to propose to Gwendolen Fairfax. She loves him, but mainly because she believes his name is Ernest. Her mother, Lady Bracknell, is strict and obsessed with money and family. When she learns Jack was found as a baby in a handbag at a train station, she forbids the marriage. Algernon secretly learns Jack's country address and travels there, pretending to be Jack's wild brother, Ernest. In the country, Cecily has already imagined a romance with this Ernest. When Algernon appears, she quickly accepts his proposal. Jack then returns, claiming his brother Ernest has died, and is shocked to see Algernon alive and lying. Things get worse when Gwendolen arrives. She meets Cecily, and they discover they are both engaged to a man named Ernest. The men admit the truth. The women are angry because they cared so much about the name. In the final act, Lady Bracknell arrives. She approves Cecily's engagement only after learning Cecily is rich. Then a long-lost secret is revealed. Miss Prism admits she once misplaced a baby in a handbag. Jack realizes he was that baby. Lady Bracknell reveals Jack's real name as Ernest after all. The play ends happily with three couples united. Wilde's joke is clear. Society treats silly things very seriously and serious things very lightly.